Assalamu alaikum friends, in this video I will show you how to use that secure and secure root command in TIA portal v16. Let's start. I will open any project, no problem. Even previous lectures I already shows how to create the new projects and go to my PLC and then program blocks and then go to main OP. In previous lecture, in math function, we use that limit command, and in this lecture we will discuss about that secure and secure root command. What's the function in the PLC and TIA portal, how we use this commands. First of all, I take my input here for execution M0.0. This is the internal memory relay, and here I use my that secure command, secure root command, and here one more row I will take, and here I take that secure command. Basically this is the calculator in PLC, and where this command is using and why using in TIA portal, because of when we making our some power formulas are and different in various areas of the program, this command can be used and helpful in the logic, and this data can be used in real. This can't use in another data, because of in this floating point numbers this will be doing work properly. If you use any other data, this will be maybe this will not proper works. And we will go to my DB block, and here already have data, and we will make it here one new block for this in data block. And also you like to give the name, you can give this one power formula, POWER, power FOURMULA, power formula. Any name you can give this your data block. And here it I will make my four datas SQRT1 and SQRT second data, and I will more SQR1 and SQR2, and this data I will define in real, because this data can't use in another. This also real. This also real. And if you like to make it retain, it's okay. If you don't like to make it retain, that's your depend on your program. Here I take my first one data, this data block. No, sorry, not this one. We will use that this power formula. Sorry. Power formula in SQRT1 and this SQRT power formula SQRT2, and this I will take my data in power formula SQR1 and that power formula in power formula SQR2, and that program block I will download to my PLC and we see how it works. This is a very interesting command and very helpful in making any formulas in power formulas or any type of calculation like to make some data from outside, and this I make it simulation on. And this command m0.0 also you can modify from here with the program, and because of this is the internal memory. And when I make it on, see now, for example, in electrical formulas, maybe if you little understand about that, using that 3 formula. Oh no, sorry, mistake made. m0.0, make it again download first. If you're making that mistake in doing program, making that time, if some mistake coming, it will be here. For example, I put any, for example, 3 this electric formula, and it's giving any, for example, 1.732051 answer. And if I put this one, add this in secure area, 1 point, this value 1.73232051 as per, and it will be gives answer as it here 3. And if you give it, for example, 5.0, and it will gives this data, and this data if you put it here, for example 2.236068, and it will be give result this one 5.0. That calculator yani says look like any, when you making any formula in the program, you can use this command secure root and secure root. Maybe in college time or school time you learn from that secure in formula. For example, I will show you this this, for example, calculator. We can check it here, that calculator, and see here, for example 3 and secure root, how much it's coming answer 1.73205080. because of this command, see I put it here 3.0, and see this answer, and this answer is equals look like any 1.732051. this, if I put it here 5, see this is answer is 2.236068, and if I go to the here also 5, if these are how much 2.23606767, this yani this look like semi calculator, and here this value when you put it here, here comes 50. And also if you like to check with by in internet, also we can find this one in Google also. Here we can write that secure calculator. See, this already have this. When you go to the secure calculator, and here it we write, for example, 5, and when we calculate, it's make this 25. Wait a minute. The secure root math.com where this. Oh, sorry, this is not the same like find secure SQRE secure root. That secure root one calculator we will find, and when we go to the in secure root calculator, for example, when I put it here 5, for example, and I will calculate, and he shows the answer 2.236067, same as this your answer 2.236068. And if you put it here, for example, 3, and 3 you calculate 1.732. I will change it here 1.3. When I put it 3, it gives 1.732051. If I put it here 4, for example, it will be what answer giving 2.0. And if I put it here 2.0, it will gives the 4.0. And also, if you check by online also, this is, if you put 2.0, 1.41, sorry, that 4.0 if I put, which is calculating, that's 4.0. When you put it, answer will be secure root 2. And that same, yani it's working with different, yani in secure root and secure, it's opposite working, yani when you put it here, any formula after you get answer, and that answer after you can apply in the power formulas or any electrical or electronics formulas you making this the programs, you can use this command. I hope you understand about this command. If you not understand anything, you can send me message in comment sections, or also if you have any facing troubles in the programs when you are making, or you have you need any idea, you can send me any message in my comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Don't be hesitate to call me. No problem. Any problems you are facing, you can contact me. This is basically, this secure also we can find in Google. If secure also, we go to the secure calculator. Secure calculator, when you find this one, because of this is different Matchani. G square, that square root, that square calculator. That square calculator means when you put the value at here 5, and when you calculate this 25, and for example, which value we are using in the program, see this one 2.0 is 4.0. when you're using that secure 2.0, 2.0, that's answer will be 4. If you put it 1.732, it will be calculate 3.0. So guys, this is the command use of secure and secure root. We can use. I hope you understand about this command. If you have any question, send me comment section message. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.